Heavy overnight rainfall caused the Maeha Kayen stream to overflow on Tuesday morning, flooding Muang District and leaving many residents stranded on upper floors and rooftops. Local media reported that the stream burst its banks in Banha Kayan village in Tamban Maya, resulting in floodwaters reaching heights of 1 to 2 meters, inundating buildings, homes, and vehicles. The University of Foo was one of the many properties affected, with students fleeing their flooded dormitories and seeking refuge on rooftops. Rescuers worked quickly to assist a group of Foo University students who had climbed onto the roof of their dormitory to escape the rapidly rising waters. Actress and philanthropist Panada Wang Fu shared a photo of 7 students stranded on the roof on her Facebook page, praising the Lucha Rescue Foundation for arriving at the scene to bring them to safety. Panata, crowned Miss Thailand in 2000, also highlighted the fast-moving floodwaters outside Foo University, with water levels reaching over head height in certain areas. Meanwhile, officials from Foo's provincial administrative organization confirmed that water runoff from the Maeha Canal caused flash flooding in the early hours of Tuesday, impacting homes, vehicles, and student dormitories. สามารถที่จะออกได้โดยเฉพาะเส้นไปเข้าอ่างไปต่ำเส้นมจรครับน้ำได้ไหลแรงมาครับสามารถลด Cars and motorcycles parked in the area sustained significant damage, while floodwaters began to recede around 8:20 a.m. Provincial officers were dispatched to patrol the affected areas, aid flood victims, and assess the extent of the damage. The rainfall, measuring approximately 100 mm, caused heavy water flow in low-lying areas, including the dormitories opposite Foo University. 70 students were affected, and 4 were injured from broken glass. A temporary shelter was set up at the Foo University gymnasium, where the displaced students were accommodated. Rescue efforts were further supported by Karen Mayer Jaded, who sent motorboats and rescue teams to assist flood victims and monitor the rising Muang River. Meanwhile, residents in risk areas were advised to move to safe locations, as continuous heavy rainfall and strong winds persisted throughout the province. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.